Presenting boAt Xtend Smartwatch. The smartwatch is available in 4 color variants of deep blue, olive green, pitch black and sandy cream. The smartwatch features big square color LCD display with a round dial that sports complete capacitive touch interface for effortless control. The screen size is 42 mm. The 5 atm dust, splash and sweat resistance makes it your perfect fitness companion. The watch comes with a stress monitor that reads your HRV or heart rate variabilities to indicate stress levels. The watch also monitors your heart rate and SpO2 or blood oxygen levels to keep a tab on your overall health. You can receive all your important notifications right on your watch, from calls and texts to hydration and alarm alerts. The Alexa built-in voice assistant that sets reminders, alarms and answers questions from weather forecasts to live cricket scores at your command. The smartwatch also features multiple watch faces with customizable options, ambient light display, 14 sports modes and tracks all stages of sleep every night. Inside the box you will find the watch Xtend, USB magnetic charging cable, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.